In this short video, we are going to migrate an enterprise phone to MPP, but we're going to do it by auto-generating a license. So this is a new enhancement. Instead of going into the migration wizard, I'll actually just go to the devices section like I normally would, and I will select add device. And again, this is the standard way to add a normal MPP device, but the system is going to be smart enough to know that it's an enterprise device and generate the license. In this demonstration, we are going to choose personal usage. The other options will also work if you choose to add a device for workspace or do bulk upload. The bulk upload can be used if you are certain the devices can migrate and you have a small enough batch of devices that you can track in the Add Device Default task for license generation completion. If you have lots of devices, using the migration task is recommended to get certainty on device eligibility and proper tracking of the migration. I'm going to select personal usage and click Next. I'll select my user, and then we'll select Cisco IP phone. Now I'll select the device, which is going to be an 8861. And now I'll type the MAC address in. And again, the system is going to automatically determine that it's an enterprise firmware and generate the MPP migration license. So it's important to point out that this auto generation license method only works when you add the device via a MAC address. If you want to use activation codes, then use the migration license only task. In this demonstration, we are using MAC address, so I'll go ahead and click Save. And the device successfully added. Now if I go down to Updates and Migrations and select this, and now you can see here that a new task has been created, the Add Device Default task. So I'll click on this and I'll select In Progress. So if we wait for a few minutes, it will automatically determine that it is eligible and provide a status update on when it is ready for migration. After a short time, my device is now ready for migration. So I can go into the Actions tab and select Complete Migration. Now if this is a test device, we can keep it here and continue to use alternate TFTP to migrate the device back and forth. Otherwise, I'll select the device that I want to migrate and select Complete Migration. I'll give it a name and then I'll click Continue. And now we are ready to complete the migration. And now I'll select the autocomplete or the manually complete that we covered in an earlier video. So this completes the overview on how to auto-generate a license.